Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It always helps when I have my glasses on. We did ventilate the pan. I didn't even notice that. I mean, I pulled the starter off and everything. Didn't even see that. So we gotta split the pan. That can be, honestly, that can be just beat back and running some weld on it and it'll be good to go. But yep, that's busted. That you know, leaves us in a bit of a pickle. Not really. It's not a big deal. Like I say, we're going to use the other motor, but I should have saw that as soon as I pulled the thing off. But I've never been accused of being Captain Obvious. It doesn't look like the cylinder's been hurt. You know what would be super cool or super stupid is that we just get another rod and piston and just stick in here and run it and put it back together, beat the oil pan in and run it. Man, that's tempting, just because I'm that guy, just to be a jerk. So anyway, the next thing we're going to do is we need to get it up so we can check out get the oil pan off and actually take a look at it. Also wanted to say that one of the subs, I know I talk a lot, trying to explain stuff. One of the subs, Don, reached out and was like, hey, I got this 347 short block. I got it at a killer price. I mean, killer price. It's like, you're making me buy it price. What he got it for? And he's like, I'll meet you halfway, just get it from me. And I'm like, dude, I can't, you know, I can't do that. That's just, you know, I just can't do that. We got a motor, we'll stick it in. We got an engine, we'll stick it in. But you guys' generosity is, you know. David also said he had a short block. Sent me a text, said he had a short block. But, you know, we got one, so we're good to go. But anyway, that's very cool. Don, I appreciate the offer. You never, you know, one day, baby, I'll take you up on it. But hopefully he'll put it in something. What he needs is he didn't have no project cars. That's what the problem is. Anyway, let me look at doing something with this and maybe pulling the oil pan off and then seeing what we got. Okay. Wow. Holy mackerel. Well, there we go. Just run a hone through that. Oh, wow. You got a chunk of a piece of the cylinder wall on 8. Well, there we go, guys. Load it up. At least the oil pan's salvageable. Wow. It's all the good stuff. Yep. It broke. Here we go. Oh, wow. Woo-wee. Okay. Good job. So, wow. All right. Yep. We did a fine job on that one. Out here looking, look at that. The threads are just pulled out of it. So, you know. And then you look at how this is been out. We made a little bit of a mess. Like I say, wow. I mean, it's, yeah, we did a good job. We did a number on it. It also, say, David was asking, he said, if you're, you know, what are you gonna do with it? And I'm like, well, it's got a giant chunk of the block knocked out. I thought it got a number 8 a little bit too hard to see. I got it, you know. Look, there's another, sorry. Come on. Wow. But yeah, broken block. That's a problem. Oh, damn. Just one more quick gander with the end of the rod, bearing, pieces of piston. So, yep. It's busted. Man. We did a number on it. So, I also wanted to give a shout out to Andrew, Hanlon Motorsports. Once again, you know, before this happened, we were having some issues with clutch and stuff like that. And Andrew reached out. If you need anything, just let me know. And I appreciate that. Also, Dan rocked the muscle shirt. It's kind of sticky. Dan. Wish I had a necklace and, like, you know, at that 5 o'clock shadow. Dan rocking with that tight shirt. Mine's tight just in the middle. Dan reached out too, you know, just, hey man, if you need anything, let me know. So that's very cool. Sure you got Neo Mustang. Sure you guys all subscribe to his channel. As a matter of fact, congratulations, Dan, on your 30,000 subscribers. I'm trying to go the other direction, get back down to 0. And we got something in the mail, and I think I know what this is. It's actually kind of funny. I mean, someone sent us a can of, I'm messing up, 4 blue engine enamel, and I think there's a note here from James H, baby. It's a gift for me, for McNuggets, James H. He sent us a can, 4 blue engine enamel. Now, I don't know if that's going to look good in this car black, but you sent it, I'll paint the dang block 4 blue, I guess. Can't just paint it gray, bro. 4 blue. Thanks, James. I heard it rattling when I got it. I was like, you know what it is. So, anyway, A lot of talking. That's what we broke. We tore it up. We're gonna put the other one in and get it fixed. It is like super hot. It's hot everywhere, so I'm not telling anybody anything. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Especially, thanks for watching. Until next time, what's up, Sandra Lee and Fox Body Videos. 1 year only Lincolns, 4 drag vans, and blowing up. I mean, we blew one up, so yay to us. And always fighting a good fight against Dr. Phil. We had him licked that time. We had him on the ropes. We'll see you guys in the next video, which is probably going to be us. We're going to be like doing the brakes. We're just going to do a bunch of work and whatever. It's so hot. See you guys next video.